slime. And since it is like Valentine's Day or Valentine's Day season, and it's February, I decided we're gonna do Valentine's Day themed slime. So we're gonna change all the containers and change all the slimes. So yeah, let's get straight on into the video. Yo! Alright guys, so first we're gonna start with this white base, and we're gonna be making some butter slime first. So yeah, so I have this white base, we have some clay, and yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna make this one pink. So we're gonna make this, put some pink food coloring. Oh, that got all over me. Ooh, this is such a pretty color. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and add the clay. I'm using some Daiso clay, white Daiso clay. I'm gonna add this much. Alright guys, so it's all finished now, the base. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the additives. Well, I mean, I guess it's not the base, but the butter slime is finished basically. Now we're gonna add some stuff to it. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna add some of this pink glitter. Ooh, that looks really cool. These little heart glitters that are so cute. Some blue glitter, I know, I feel like it'll look cool. I don't know. Yeah, some iridescent glitter, because I have to. And then also, last but not least, these little heart sprinkles that I feel like would look so pretty and like literally go so well with, you know, Valentine's Day. Oh, whoa. Like, it's the exact color, red, white, and pink, and it looks so pretty and so cute. Let's mix it, guys. And here is the final product, guys. It looks so cute. You can actually see the little glitters in there, and they look so adorable. And you can see the hearts too, kinda. Alrighty guys, we're gonna go ahead and put it in this little container now. Just the cover, okay. I decided though, I'm gonna go ahead and coat the outside with like iridescent glitter. I felt like it would look cool. I'm just gonna put iridescent glitter on there. I'm gonna roll it on there. And we're gonna put it in the jar. Oh my gosh, guys, it looks so weird. What the heck happened? Under the bottom of it, it like shriveled up. Okay, we're just gonna go ahead and try and fix that real quick. Oh no, I got blue glitter on it. There we go. All right, guys, that is our Valentine's Day butter. Looks beautiful. Let's go ahead and close it. And voila. This next one, guys, I decided I'm gonna make it into a cloud cream, but like an icy slime kind of type deal, because I'm using clear slime this time. So yeah, I'm gonna make it pink, of course, again, because Valentine's Day is like pink, red, and white, and I don't think there's anything else. So yeah, there's gonna be a lot of pink and red slimes here, guys. So we just made this clear slime, and so it's a bit like overactivated still, but that's okay because we're making cloud cream, so that doesn't matter. All right, I think that's pretty good. Now let's go ahead and put some glitter. Let's glitter it up. All right, let's add the glitter. Yes. Ooh, that's really pretty. We should make one like this and just like put it in the container like that. That'd be so pretty. And let's go ahead and put some of this pink glitter. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna go ahead and put the snow. We're gonna put like that much. We're just gonna put it dry. And yeah, now we need the slime. Okay, so the snow is starting to activate. Alrighty guys, so I activated it and I added more snow, and it's a lot better now, and it's very, very sizzly, guys. So it is very, very, very nice, guys. I really love it, and I think this is all that we gotta do. It's kind of like not sizzly right now, and I think that's because it's like really foggy. It has a lot of bubbles in it, so we're gonna have to wait a little bit, but I really love it. The texture, and it's just the color, the glitter. Mostly the texture though. I really, really like the texture, guys. Alright guys, so let's put it inside the container. I activated it a little bit more so that it wouldn't stick to the container. Like it wouldn't, like when it melts, you know. Here it is. Oh, that looks nice. It kind of looks like the other one though. Anyways, that is it for that one. Let's get out to the next one. Alright guys, so for this next one, I decided I'm going to make a very simple Phloem slime. I'm going to keep it white since all of our other slimes are pink. And I'm going to make it a Phloem. Alright, so first what I'm gonna do, guys, is add a bunch of glitter. So I'm gonna add some pink and red glitter. And then I'm also gonna add like some, whoa, some small pink glitter. So we're gonna add, ooh, okay. Then some red glitter. Some of the pink glitter. Some of this really pretty red glitter that, oh yeah, there. Alrighty, and let's mix it. Hope it looks cool. Okay, I like it. It looks cool. Now we're gonna add these pink foam beads to it. I'm gonna add all of it. And hopefully it looks good. I don't know, did I put too much glitter? I feel like I did. Like, I added a lot of glitter, guys. Like, geez. Alright, guys, I think I added too much glitter, so I'm gonna add some pink food coloring because I don't like how it looks. So we're gonna add some red, some pink, not red. Alrighty, guys, I am all done. That's how it turned out. I'm not sure if I like it too much, to be completely honest, but we're gonna put it in the container anyways. I think I'm probably gonna, it's growing on me. Alright, and ta-da! Oh, I kind of like this one. I'm liking it more. Okay, guys, let's get on to the next one. Alrighty, guys, so for this next one, I decided I'm gonna make it red. So we're gonna put some red food coloring. Like I said, this is a very fresh clear slime, so it is like, you know, overactivated. It's kind of like store-bought slime. Ooh, that is such a pretty color, guys. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and put some, can you guess what it is? Jelly cubes. So I was thinking about the slimes that I want to make, and I completely forgot about jelly cubes. So I was like, let's make a jelly cube slime. I love how crackly jelly cubes are in the beginning, where you just like kind of squish them. It's so nice. Ooh, that looks good. It's gonna be called Love Potion. Alrighty, I'm gonna add some of these little heart sprinkles. I'm really loving this solid red color, so I'm not gonna add any glitters to this one. But the hearts do look super cute. I'm adding just a teensy bit of the red glitter. Alright, guys, I am all done with this slime. I think this is gonna be my favorite because look at how pretty it is. Like, I love this one. It actually turned out so nice. I really love this one. It like really looks like Valentine's Day to me. And yeah, you guys comment down below which one is your favorite. Alrighty, let's put it away. And ta-da! I really feel like this one actually looks like a Valentine's Day, or like, I mean, like a love potion. And I am really loving it. Oh my gosh. Alrighty, guys, so this next slime, it's gonna be another butter slime, and I decided we're gonna make a brownie batter type deal because another thing on Valentine's Day is chocolate. So yeah. Okay, guys, so to make brown, I'm gonna go ahead and make this orange really quick. That makes sense, Ameerah. Okay, well, that was a lot of orange. Didn't expect that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add some blue. And I think if my calculations are right, it should make a blue. I mean, a brown. Hopefully it does. And it's completely turning blue. Great. Oh my gosh, what the heck? All right, well, that was a complete fail. What the heck happened? That was supposed to be brown. We're gonna go ahead and scratch this batch really quick, and we're gonna make a new one. Guys, brown is such a hard color to get when you're trying to get it. Anyways, this time I'm just gonna use some brown paint because I am not about to do this like 10 times because I will. Oh gosh. Was that a lot of paint? I feel like it was. All right, we're just gonna add it into the butter slime now. That looks cool. Add that into the clay. That is turning into a mess now. Alright, you guys, here it is. All good now. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and add some lotion. Make it softer. Alrighty, and now I'm gonna go ahead and add some of these heart sprinkles because I feel like it'll look cool, like kind of like one of those brownies, you know? Alrighty, let's add our little hearts. Alright, guys, I think that looks fantastic. Now let's go ahead and put it into the jar. But I think we should go ahead and coat the outside with some hearts just a little bit, so that, because you can't really see them that well. Ooh, look at how pretty they are. Okay, let's go ahead and put it inside the container now. All right, guys, so we're all done with this one. Oh, look at how cute it is. It does have these little air bubbles, but that will go down, I think, I hope. Okay, this looks so cute, but my favorite is still the jelly cube one. All right, guys, the next one I'm gonna do is gonna be a pigmented slime. Okay, so first we're gonna make it red. I want it to be bright red. Okay, I love how this bright red looks. It looks so pretty. Oh, this is gorgeous. It looks like cherry. Okay, and now we're gonna add some gold glitter to this. And then some of this red glitter. It's very pretty. Ooh, that looks so pretty already. Okay, now for the pigment, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, guys, but this looks gorgeous. Okay, anyways, for the pigment, we're gonna add some gold pigment. I really love how gold and red pigment, like red slime and gold pigment look. I find it so pretty. Alrighty, let's mix it. Ooh, this looks so pretty. Okay, guys, this looks so pretty. I don't know if you guys can see it, but like, oh my gosh, I love this one. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. All right, let's go ahead and put it in its container. Oh wait, I wanted to add one more thing to it. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna add these little heart things. Okay, that are at the dollar store, by the way. Anyways, let's add these little red things. Hearts, red hearts, not things. Alright, guys, let's go ahead and put it into the container now. Ooh, this one is so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna take these hearts out so that it can fit better. Okay, this one is like a love potion too. This is the extra strong love potion, guys. Okay. Alrighty, guys, now we're gonna go ahead and fill these cups, because they're very cute, up with some slime. But I decided I'm gonna fill it up with some fluffy slime, and since they don't have covers, I'm gonna make it into an iceberg. So I'm very, very excited. Let's do this. Alright, guys, here is the slime I'm gonna be using. It is kind of like melted, but like at the same time, very, very nice. Like, what the heck? Look at how glossy it is. This is just school glue, guys. Oh my gosh. This is just school glue, and it's just very old. So yeah, that's it. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and add a bunch of shaving cream. All right, we're gonna add our shaving cream. And let's mix. All right, guys, here is how the fluffy slime turned out. It's very, very nice. Very fluffy. I'm wondering if I should add some lotion. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of lotion because it is kind of hard. Alright, guys, I think this is good now. Now we're gonna go ahead and make our iceberg slimes. So for this one, I think I'm gonna make it into 3 different colors. I'm gonna make it white, red, and pink, like the hearts. So we'll make this part red because it's like the least one, and red is a hard color to get when it's white slime. Oh, that looked weird. Oh, maybe we should make a marble. It looks so cool. All right, so this is gonna be our red one. We're just gonna keep it like this. And then this is gonna be our white one. And then we're gonna make this one pink. Alrighty, guys, now we're gonna go ahead and mix these all together. I don't know if we should have like layers. No, okay, let's mix it together. We're just gonna mix it only a little bit like that, literally. Put it inside the cup. Ooh, that looks so cool. Oh my gosh. That looks so cool. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add some glitter on top. Only a little bit. And some of these little hearts. Oh my gosh, this is the cutest slime ever. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait till this makes an iceberg. Alright, guys, we have another cup to fill. Alright, so for this one, we're gonna keep it very simple. We're gonna make it a pink slime. And we're gonna put some of this pink glitters, just a little bit, that's enough. This slime is actually, it's like over-activated, but it's soft. Once you start to play with it, it starts to get really hard. You know what, we're gonna make this one marble. I really like how that looks, and we didn't make the other one marble, so we're gonna make this one marble. Okay, is this enough mixing? I'm not sure. I think it looks pretty good like that. Now we go ahead and put it in our cup. Ooh, that actually looks really cool. Okay, I wasn't so sure about this, but I am very sure now. It looks beautiful. And I was thinking I wanted to put a heart on it, but I don't know how I'm gonna do that, honestly, because I'm like really bad at making hearts. Maybe just put like this heart on top. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Okay, guys, that is it. All right, guys, one more thing though. We have this iceberg, very old iceberg, and it was actually a used iceberg already, but I decided I'm just gonna leave it dry, and we're gonna make another iceberg out of it. So yeah, let's do this. It has been tempting me all month. Okay, all right, let's do this. Are you kidding me? It was so bubbly before. Like, I literally just pressed it to see if it was bubbly, and it's literally not bubbly anymore. Whatever, let's just see the slime that came out of it. Seems like the stars are bleeding. Here's the top part if you guys wanted to see that. Let's rip it. It's very strong. Okay, that wasn't satisfying. Isn't it so weird, the like thing it makes? It makes like literally, oh, ow. It feels like cloth. It's so weird. Okay, let's just squish that into there. It'll literally become slime again, and yeah. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Here are the background slimes. I think they look so cool. I am so excited for the iceberg slimes. They look beautiful. And yeah, that is it guys. You search, and I hope I see you next time. Bye!